So this is my website. I'm discuss about that how to select theme on your WordPress website. First of all, in this WordPress website, if you select any kind of themes, the option call is login with your dashboard. In this dashboard, we can option call is so many options will be available by your WordPress dashboard. In this option call is appearance. In an appear option, we changing your themes. So in this option call is themes. Total how many themes are available? Totally 278 themes. In this, we have two kind of themes, free and premium. So I'm selecting the free website. So theme also free. So I'm selecting for free. How many? 94. Out of 278, 94 will be free themes. So in this, so many themes are available. You can check here. This is all. So right now the theme will be this one. Ready click. So in this one, you can see the theme. So many themes are there. So at when I'm selecting for Dara theme. So before selecting Dara theme, I'm clicking for preview. I'm clicking for preview. Just I'm clicking the preview for live show. See this one. Okay. The menus are accepted. Menus are accepted. That is called when menus are accepted, we can show for your activity. Where the second one is called social media activity. That is called you can available option call is in these options. That is called menu. What is called? Create a menu. What option call is social menu. So accepted my theme, accept by the social menu option. So I can go back. Just and close. Now I'm not selecting for Dara theme. I'm selecting for one more another theme. That is only for free. Here is the question. I'm selecting for free WordPress site. Can I select the premium site? You can select what do you pay the amount. Simple logic. You can make the free website. You select the premium also, but you can pay the amount. Coming to premium, see this one. This will be 5,000 change, 4,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,000, 2,000, 3,000. If you go for 1,000, see for here, 10,000, 5,000, 4,000. These are the prices. When you click for activate, means you have to purchase. Free website, we can build the premium theme also. But I'm building for free website for knowledge gain purpose. And we can ending the amount purpose. So I'm selecting for free theme. So before I'm selecting for Dara theme, now I'm selecting for one more. This is called all to focus. Just I'm clicking for preview. So where I'm checking for menus, create a new menus. Is supported. They're supported by the social menus. Just back. Each theme one different. That is called your sliders and your menu access and different. When you come into your see this one. Social media icons accepted. Here is the accepted will be checked by preview. So same like you can go for one more theme. There's only for free. So I'm clicking for preview. I'm checking for menu, primary location and social location. So they accept by the primary location means your main menu. Social location means your social media icons. So clear? Any WordPress theme selection based on the theme. This is called your accept by the main ones and social menu also. After selecting theme, we have checked for the mobile friendly. Yes or no? The website supported by the mobile friendly. Total three concepts: desktop, mobile, and tablet. We can go to the wordpress.com. After selecting theme, go to the wordpress.com. Select your my site option. In this, select your site. In this, we can show for option call is here will be called view site. Is it clear? In this view site, here will be showing for total three options: desktop, tablet, and phone. After selecting theme, go to wordpress.com, select my site, select your site. Here will be select for here desktop, tablet, and phone. Here is a working. Yes or no? Is a mobile friendly tablet and desktop. So this will be checked. After theme confirmation with the social icons, we can check by the theme will be supported by the mobile friendly or not. So first you can go with this. You can select any kind of theme and select the Dora theme. First is a plain screen with a white background. So I'm selecting for Dora theme. Just close. Don't click any customize. After that, refresh. The theme is change, home, blog, and contact. After that, come into your refresh. Theme is changed. Again, check desktop, tablet, and mobile phone. These are the mandatory field. Any website creation that will be supported by the tablet, mobile, and website. This is called desktop. This is called select theme on your WordPress website in a free or premium. Same logic will follow by the premium site and free site also.